Hey guys, look what I found. Sri Lankan cooking classes. So today I paid for one class where they're gonna teach me, I think, like to make like 6 type of curries and all vegan. So excited. It started. Learn to open coconuts in India. Let's see if in Sri Lanka I can. This, my friends, is the coconut scraper. It's super used to here in this kind of kitchen and in Indian kitchen too for fresh coconut. We're making here coconut milk, okay? The thick one, the first one. It's just water with coconut and I have to just squeeze it. Yes. So no blender, coconut milk. Yes, it works. No blender.
Now you want to try to the second time.
Okay.
Second milk less thick. Third milk like a water.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
This is for the dal, and the dal eats this one, the lentils, and I already put curry leaves, onions, and garlic, salt, coriander, turmeric, cinnamon.
Okay. Now we want the coconut milk.
Okay.
Now our another vegetable, okra.
Okay. Yes, the dal, and it soaked up the milk.
And like a soft. Okay.
Yes, soft.
Now. Okay. And little time cooking, and 2 or 3 minutes cooking, and cooking is finished.
Perfect. We're gonna do curry of plantain. Cut them. And we already put the curry leaves, garlic, and onion.
Yes.
Half salt. Half.
Half and little much. Yes. Okay.
Like this. Turmeric.
Turmeric.
Turmeric, it's super good for the health. Fenugreek. Okay.
Fenugreek.
How much?
Very little. Fenugreek we don't use in for the too much and come in the gourd. Yes.
Okay. Fenugreek is good for diabetics. If you haven't watched my video, you can watch it about the fenugreek and cinnamon, all of that. Okay.
Now you want to put in your third and second milk in your ash pot.
Perfect. So this is the third one. As you can see, it's really not that much milk there. The second one, milk. Guys, this vegetable, I'm not sure if in Costa Rica we have it, and I don't know if in your countries you have it, but it's very tasty. It's lady fingers.
Yes.
Yes, it's called lady fingers. Okay. So for the okra,
Very little chili pieces.
a little bit of chili, like this.
Yes. We want the more chili like a hot. We want more. Okay.
More.
Very little salt.
Salt.
And little turmeric.
Turmeric.
Okay. Yes. Now you want to come here.
Perfect.
Now we using for the coconut oil.
Okay. Coconut oil.
We put
Like
in
this?
the mustard seeds, come in extra flavor of our curry. Okay. Okay. Now
Curry leaves. Tomatoes. And garlic. Okay.
Very little cooking.
Yes.
Not too much time cooking. Okay.
Okay.
Now we want to the cooking 5 minutes, and 5 minutes is okay.
5 minutes.
Yes. Okay.
Nice. Another curry with the eggplant. Eggplant salad, right?
Yes.
Okay, guys, for the eggplant, it's gonna be deep fried. Okay? Like chips. Okay, nice.
Okay. Now you want to every time change it like this.
Guys, eggplants are ready. Deep fried, looks delicious. Okay, onions, tomato,
Little lime juice
lime juice,
and little sugar,
okay, sugar,
little salt,
okay,
and very little, like a pinch of chili, and pinch of black pepper.
pinch of black pepper.
And your salad is finished.
Guys, right now we're gonna make one of my favorite dishes of Sri Lanka that it's called coconut samba. Okay, so we need coconut, right? Chopped onions, chopped garlic to start. So for the samba, chop onions, chop garlic, chop pepper, and we're gonna put all of this in the fresh grated coconut. Lime. Chili.
Chili and little pepper. Now you want the everything mix in your hand like this.
Yes. I did it, guys. All of the vegetables are ready. The last part is the dessert that we're gonna make the pancakes, which I love to eat in the morning. And I asked this beautiful lady if we can make the pancakes, and she said yes. Okay, we're gonna start the pancakes. This is wheat flour, guys, which I'm gonna try to replace it with rice flour the next time, but we don't have it today. Salt.
And we want the little yellow color. This
Perfect.
is
Turmeric. Okay.
Now little water. Now mix in.
Here's the pancake. For the filling, it's coconut, a little of sugar, honey, and a little bit of lemon. Guys, this has become my favorite dessert of Sri Lanka. So the filling, and you just have to roll it, and that's all. So my dear friends, time to eat this food made by myself. I hope that you learn how to do this Sri Lankan food, because guys, it's so tasty, so amazing, so full of colors and really easy to make. I'm gonna start eating right now my food. These bananas and these are the eggplants. Oh my god, this eggplant. The okra. And the rice and dal. So my friends,
Hello.
what's your name?
I'm Harshi.
Harshi, and she is the beautiful cooker behind this. So whatever you want to say.
And thank you so much for the chef, and she's Pia. And thank you so much join the Sri Lankan lesson for them with me.
Exactly. Where can they find you?
We have some trip advisor.
Okay.
And Tangalle, Siesta.
Tangalle, Siesta.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, I'm gonna put the link down below. This is in Tangalle Beach. Okay. Very recommended. It was beautiful. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Janita.
Okay. Sri Lankan food. Bye guys. I ate it all. Bye. Thank you.